At ADEX 2023, one of the highlights of the show for Hanwha Defense is the display of the new Redback. It's a new IFV, infantry fighting vehicle. It is the latest generation of IFV and one of the most modern IFV in the world. It offers capabilities in terms of firepower, protection and mobility.
I'm an electronic engineer. My name is Gon Choi. I'm designed this Redback vehicle. AS21
So the basic features of a Redback can be four. The one is survivability. The Austrian Army requires a high level of protection for this vehicle. So one survivability, and next one is firepower. For the firepower, it has a 30mm cannon on it and 12.7mm machine gun. And the third feature is mobility, high mobility. It can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. And the fourth feature is digitalization. So development of Redback started in 2018. First development has been complete. However, we need extra development works to meet the specific needs of Austrian Army. And we're looking toward 2026 for the full delivery of Redback to Austrian Army. In order to meet the future battle combat requirements that from the Austrian Army, Redback has two special features on it. It has become much larger compared to other same type of light vehicle. It's a bit comparatively larger and also heavier for higher level of protection. However, still it's fast. It has a 1,000 horsepower engine on it, mounted on it, with the power pack. You can level up to 65 kilometers per hour. And the next thing is digitalization. In the 21st century, the future combat scenes demand high level of digitalization. So digitalization and heavy but fast speed are two uniqueness of this Redback.
현재 호주군이 사용하고 있는
Redback will be replacing the M113 series that's in Austrian Army. This is the next generation vehicle. So the previous models are now becoming obsolete. So Austrian Army seem to prepare for the next generation vehicle. So Redback was designed for the next generation combat scenes. We have won the contract from Austrian Army. The size of the sales is more than 100 vehicles, more than 100. And this is very meaningful in a way that it's the first export of this type of vehicle from Korea to overseas. We are looking for very high potential of big sales in the future, since it's a very heavily armored or heavily protected vehicle. We see a lot of potential buying nations in the future. So we, Hanwha Aerospace, are ready to deliver this great vehicle Redback to any client, a customer nation that will need for the future combat.